Ito ang latest chika. He's obsessed with me, I'm obsessed with him. Ganito ang naging sagot ni Donnie Pangilinan nang makaraangan tanungin sila sa isang interview. Kung gaano sila ka-protective sa isa't isa ng kanyang girlfriend na si Bel Mariano. How protective of you of each other? Tanong ng interviewer. Sometimes it's like a negative thing, but then there is no negative protective like obsessive type of, well, honesty. She's obsessed with me, I'm obsessed with her. We're obsessed with each other. Sagot ni Donnie Pangilinan sa interviewer. And making sure that we eat and making sure that we're eating right. And she's making sure that my health is correct. And he makes sure that I don't talk much when I'm not supposed to. Pagpapatuloy pa niya.